A mystery illness in dogs is spreading across the country just in time for people to board their dogs for the long Thanksgiving weekend. News Channel 5's Alexandra Cohen talked to a local veterinarian about what symptoms you should know about.
At VCA Murphy Road Animal Hospital, Christine Widman is holding Toast. It's her job to make sure puppies stay healthy.
This is little Toast. He is a little puppy that's up for adoption, actually, through Love at First Sight.
Christine stays up to date on canine sickness, and she's been following a mystery dog illness that's spreading across the country.
Some of this dry hacking cough can progress to pneumonia, and then that's where it can get a little trickier and intensive to treat.
It lasts longer than kennel cough, so 4 to 6 weeks.
I think it's great to be aware of kind of what's going on out there. I don't think we need to panic.
In Oregon, hundreds of dogs have been sick and some have died. And now cases have been reported in the South. Symptoms include cough, sneeze, and runny nose. If your dog does have any of the signs, try to keep them away from other animals. No official cases have been reported to the state of Tennessee yet.
There's not a confirmation test, so there's just been a few suspicious ones, but we're not quite sure.
Dog owner Lucy Fredrickson hopes researchers figure out what's going on soon.
Maybe it's another pandemic for the little dogs. I don't really know what's going to happen, but I think just like in COVID, being aware and trying to do what you can to protect dogs and people.
She got her dog Blue vaccinated just in case.
He's being kennelled for the Christmas break when we travel, but he will also is up to date on his vaccinations like Bordetella, so they say at least right now that's the best that you can do.
Reporting in Nashville, Alexandra Cohen, News Channel 5.
Some kennels are encouraging dog owners to have a backup plan or someone who can pick up your dog if they become sick.